welcome back to my channel. First off, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and also go follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, which is my socials. The links are down below. And yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me video, get dressed with me. I wanted to do my makeup like not on camera, but I don't know, I might just end up doing my makeup on camera and just like start the whole and continue the whole thing, but I don't know yet. Anyway, we'll see as the video goes. Today's Sunday, by the way. Anywho, let's get this video started.
Ryan Little.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. No. Till I go numb. Days until my legs go numb. Till I go numb. Baby, it's 4:30 and my whole world is I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day.
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why?
Ryan Little.
Maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming.
So, I'm done with my makeup now and time to get dressed, baby.
Coming back home.
I'm not wearing any rings today. I just don't feel like it. la la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la. So that's it for the whole makeup and outfit putting together stuff. Let me show you the whole look. Oh wait, I forgot to show you. I'm gonna be wearing it with my black Snickers. I wear that a lot. Okay, don't judge me.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
So yeah guys, that's it for this whole video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up and leave your comments below, you know, your thoughts on the outfits and my makeup and just anything. And yeah, also go follow me on my social medias, Instagram and TikTok. The links are down below, okay, for more makeup and outfits and such ideas. Okay. I'll see you guys soon. So yeah.